Rustic camping, hiking, and waterfall experience.
Yes.
That sounds like up our alley. Ooh, waterfall experience. There's another one up there. Let's go find a campsite. On this trip, I brought my wife along.
Hi, nice to meet you.
We're gonna be cooking a lot. My wife loves to cook and bake. So we stopped at a grocery store on the way here to pick up some ingredients. We also brought along our brand new griddle, and we're going to try it out and see what we can cook. Let's take a look at the map.
We're right there.
And then these are the campsites all around Craig Lake, little triangles. And there's 3 over here on Keewaydin Lake. Let's go check those out, and then we can check these out and then choose which one we want.
Sounds awesome. It's kind of a nice rustic little spot.
Yeah, let's go check out the other ones. This one's kind of close to the boat landing and it says no swimming. And I kind of want to go swimming.
I kind of want to go swimming too. But I'm glad we came over and checked it out.
Yeah.
On to the next.
We're parked right up there, but this one is a walk-in. It looks like it's about a 1/5 of a mile or so down. Let's go check it out. I don't know if I want to carry everything down tonight, but if it's awesome, it'll be worth it. Look at the dragonflies.
Oh, that means it's a mosquito safe haven too. How much better does it get? I almost wish I could take some of the dragonflies home with us. It's gorgeous.
Well, let's go grab our stuff.
Ha!
Well, we got us to do another trip. Oh, cutie.
Yeah.
So we made it. Just one more trip. We weren't really planning on going on a little hike, or rather we were planning on going on a little hike, but not having to carry all of our camping gear in. So I think this one's worth it though. For lunch, I'm making hot dogs. The trick to roasting hot dogs on a stick is to find one that is living wood. And then you whittle the bark off with a knife.
Perfect.
Awesome. Ooh, those are done.
Oh my gosh, those look fabulous.
Right? Let's go filter some water. Oh, that feels really good on a hot day like this.
Feels amazing.
Oh, that's some nice cold water. You guys ready for a swim? Okay, it gets cold fast. Oh, it gets cold really fast. Okay, that might be enough. Tonight we're gonna have some smash burgers on our new flat top griddle. So we got this Blackstone griddle a couple weeks ago and have just been testing it out around the house. So this is the first camping trip with it. The reason why we got it was for trips like this where we're at a campground where there's a picnic table or maybe even a trailhead or the tailgate of the truck where we don't necessarily have always time for a campfire, but we want to still have a fresh meal on the trail. When we first got it, we seasoned it, which basically means that this griddle area, make it into essentially a non-stick surface. So of course, for some of our fast and light trips, we're still going to be bringing the little single burner camp stove. It just can't be beat because you can fill it with a lot of different fuel sources, and this one takes propane only. Back at home, we also have a big 20-pound propane bottle we stole from our trailer, and we've got another regulator that hooks up to it. However, for this trip, we just brought this little one that comes with the griddle, and then this little guy, these common little 1-pound tanks, connects up to it. There we go. Oh my gosh, these mosquitoes are awful. They're like all over you.
I'm actually like rushing this almost because I want to move.
Ugh.
Is the griddle already heated?
It was, but now there's all these mosquitoes all on it. So I gotta clean the surface again.
That's kind of disgusting.
Yeah. Like all those specks are all mosquitoes. Ugh, that's gross.
This is salt, sweet paprika, black pepper, thyme, cracked rosemary, garlic, and chipotle.
That one? Let's do it.
Northwoods seasoning?
Yeah.
Perfect. We're in the Northwoods.
little salt. Oh, that's a lot of salt. Yeah. Hope you like salt. There we go. Ah, I've got something weird in my back. Can you check it? Ah! It's like a big old beetle. Help, 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 help! It's biting me.
I got it.
Woo! What was it?
I got it.
What was that?
A horrible, horrible creature.
Does my back look okay?
Yes. Just
Oh
making
my
sure.
gosh, that was terrible.
That was freaky.
Cleaning this is the coolest. You turn the heat up, and then you just pour a little bit of water on it. And then it just loosens up all of that stuff. Quick coat of oil just to re-season. And then it's ready for breakfast. How is it?
It's really good.
Mmm. Wow. These are good.
It's really good.
I feel like this almost makes up for having the worst, scariest monster ever attack me. That thing was so scary. I almost died. You gotta keep moving to avoid the mosquitoes. Oh. Oh my gosh, don't let him in. Like they literally know we're in here.
That's really disturbing.
And there's just so many of them. Good morning, guys. We've got a beautiful sunrise going on right outside the tent. And a bunch of mosquitoes. So I'm hoping that the mosquitoes are just near the tent and that they go away. If not, this is going to be a terrible day. Just keep walking. Wait, maybe they're better for a sec. The sun's like helping. Oh wait, no. Alright, is the vote to go to the new location?
I think we shall.
Alright, pack up and head to the new location. All right, guys, breakfast time. So what do we have for breakfast?
So we have King Arthur flour pancake mix your wife made for you before leaving our house.
Okay.
And then there's buttermilk powder in there. So you're just adding water to activate the buttermilk.
I am just gonna wipe this down real quick, make sure we get all the mosquitoes off from last night. Going on. Dash of pepper. Whoa. The wind's catching it all. I was so hungry.
Me too. Good job.
I feel like the griddle is perfect for places like this where we can't have a campfire,
Yep.
but like there's a picnic table. You guys ready to go check out the falls? Oh yeah, guys, we're starting to see some waterfalls. Guys, this is it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this adventure to Canyon Falls. Next week, we're going to be headed to the Porcupine Mountains, so I'll see you then.